How to fix "we cannot send a text message to this phone number" on Twitter. So for this video, I will be providing you with two ways on how to fix this issue. So the first method is to unblock your contacts in your phone. Now go ahead and launch the phone application. Now tap the ellipsis icon which is beside the search icon. Then select Settings, and now select Block Numbers. You will find a list of phone numbers, and beside these phone numbers are red dash lines. Just tap the red dash line to unblock the phone number. Make sure to unblock all phone numbers. And after this, try sending the code on Twitter again. Moving on to the second method, which is to contact Twitter support regarding a problem with 2FA. So now go ahead and launch the Twitter application. Then tap your profile icon, which is located on the upper left corner. Then tap the drop-down arrow button beside Settings and Support. Now select Help Center, which will direct you to this page. So for these questions, just tap the drop-down arrow button to select your response. Now scroll down, and in this text box, write down the details regarding your issue. Now if you're done composing your message, you can now hit the Submit button. So take note that Twitter can take multiple days before it can respond. And so those are the two methods on how you can fix "we cannot send a text message to this phone number" on Twitter. Thank you and have a great day.